The desperate flood situation in Hyderabad first after two spells of heavy rain in Hyderabad in the last week that breached at least three major lakes, causing heavy flooding and havoc in many parts of the city. The administration is now gearing up for more rain predicted by the weather department. They have said heavy rain is possible in the next 3 to 4 days. There were as many as 6 deaths, including 2 children, in the second spell of rain that took place on Saturday evening. More bodies were recovered from the devastation caused by rain on Tuesday and Wednesday, including a body recovered from inside a car that got washed away. One concern in terms of preparedness for more rain is that the Doppler radar at the IMD weather station in Hyderabad that predicts the quantum of rain with more accuracy locality-wise has gone out of order, apparently due to the voltage fluctuations reportedly caused by the weather factors.
Another nightmarish night for residents of Hyderabad's old city areas. Roads and lanes turned into fast-moving streams with everything in the way, including vehicles carried away at high speed. In the darkness of the night, people were scurrying to safety. This time, it was the breach of a third major water body, Balapur Lake, also called Gurram Cheruvu, that caused the heavy flooding.
What is even more worrying is what's happening beyond this area. This part of Hyderabad, if I may say, Sikandrabad and the Banjara Hills, new parts of Hyderabad are fairly safe. The downpour that happened, earlier this week is not something that's still going on. So water is drained out in those areas. But the new fresh floods which has happened is in fact in the areas which were down off the Balapur Lake. Late last night, in fact, after the heavy rains, the Balapur Lake in fact breached, and that brought in the flash floods at a very high, heavy current flow and heavy water flow which took everything that was there in its way.
Many spent the night on the rooftop. Roads in several areas gave way.
A television set being taken away from presumably a low-lying area to a safer place. One of the treasures that people have, precious things that they have. What you're seeing, in fact, is the flow of water here in Chaitanya Puri. From more than 20 kilometers away, the waters have come here and people are trying to get to safer places.
Bhaskar Rao says he has lost 18 lakh rupees worth stocks with one wall giving way. The building itself was standing precariously.
Actually, it's recently got collapsed. We lost approximately 18 lakhs of stock, and we are very sad for that. And see the
actually, anywhere the road can break. That is the kind of a situation that we are seeing here.
See the back, the building also can be collapsed at any time.
At Sivasai Colony in Karman Ghat, Kumari says everything inside the house is gone. Refrigerator, TV, all household items.
మమ్మల్ని ఎవరు అడగలేదు మీ పరిస్థితి ఏంటి మీరేంటి తిన్నారా లేదా ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ కావాలని మమ్మల్ని ఎవరు అడిగిన వాళ్ళే లేరు
ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఇట్లా పరిస్థితి
మంగళవారం మిడ్నైట్ 12:30 నుంచి ఇలానే ఉంది
The big worry is that the worst may not yet be over. The weather officer said heavy rains would continue till midweek. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.